In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount with AliExpress. This is a discount you can use every single time you shop with AliExpress, so even if you're an existing customer, stick around because I'm about to show you how you can get a discount every single time you shop on AliExpress. The following method I can confirm works from the UK, North America, and also Australia. You don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but what you will need to do is head to a website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of general things you can buy online are listed here, such as flights, hotels, fashion, and of course general online things such as AliExpress. So to claim the discount, I'll leave a link below in the description to TopCashback, and it should take you to this landing page here. Also, it is worth mentioning, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign-up bonus as well. So make sure you click the link below, and then I'll take you through step by step on how to claim your AliExpress discount. So once you've signed up, you should come across a landing page that looks like this. So from here, because we want AliExpress, we'll just want to go ahead and search for it at the top. This should then pull you through to this page here, so you'll just want to go ahead and click on the listing. So the way this works is AliExpress through TopCashback will basically pay you back a percentage of your order right back to you after purchasing through their link. So it's what we call a cashback discount. So right now, as you can see, you can get up to 6% cashback off of every single AliExpress order you make. And just to top that off as well, there's some relevant coupon codes here that you can also try out as well. So to claim this discount, it's very, very simple. What you'll need to do is just click on the red button that says get up to 6% cashback. This should then pull you through to the AliExpress website, where you will then just want to go ahead, find all the items you're looking to purchase, and then just check out like normal. But just as a very important disclaimer, you must make sure that you make the purchase through the same tab that TopCashback opens up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cash back. But once you've checked out, you should get an email similar to this to confirm that your sale has been tracked and is now eligible for cashback. And then once you get that email, you can then sign back into your TopCashback account, go up to account here, select on earnings, and then it should tell you how much cashback you're due to be paid back from your recent purchase. But overall, that is pretty much it. It can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but as long as you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you should get the notification on when you are able to receive the payout on it. Otherwise, if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.